improving carbon efficiency while delivering sustained growth. Like, comment, and subscribe to get all the latest from our videos. Peartree Cleaning Services publishes 2024/2025 ESG Report alongside independently validated environmental and governance milestones. Peartree achieved a 7.91% increase in revenue while successfully reducing total organizational emissions by 6.32%, proving that business growth can be sustainable. Carbon efficiency improved across the board, with emissions per £1 million of turnover falling by 13.18% and emissions per full-time employee dropping by nearly 10%. The company's carbon reduction pathway is now officially validated by the SBTi, ensuring all targets align with the Paris Agreement and global climate science. Peartree secured an EcoVadis Gold rating for 2025, placing the firm in the top tier of global companies for environmental, social, and governance performance. Despite representing over 97% of their footprint, Scope 3 emissions fell by 6.65% through smarter workforce planning and strengthened supplier engagement. The company's vehicle fleet is now 98% electric, with a firm commitment to reach 100% by the end of 2026, supported by expanded EV charging and solar power at head office. The deployment of 42 cobotic cleaning machines and the expansion of Water 3 chemical systems have led to a 33.93% reduction in waste year-on-year. The business generated over £111,000 in social value, focusing on inclusive employment for those with lived experience of homelessness and local recruitment to reduce commuting. ESG performance is now managed through quarterly reviews and the Peartree 360 dashboard, providing clients with transparent, data-driven insights into their carbon footprint. Brad Reams, Managing Director of Peartree Cleaning, said, "Last year was about building robust foundations. This year is about proving performance. We are reducing emissions, strengthening governance, and investing in innovation whilst continuing to grow." To learn more, read the full article in our ESG category. Read more at TWinFM.com.